Now let's see what we have here, guys. As you can see, I have piled up of autumn materials here that I have found in my storage. I have those two pumpkins in ceramic. Those are pretty, maybe about 5 years old, that I kept it in the storage. And then these are all ceramic, but these are small pumpkins that goes with decoration. I bought it yesterday together with these flowers, and you can see how pretty that is. Look at the color, so vibrant. Oh, and then I have here a second-hand find. I was at the second-hand shop with my friend, and those are of pretty old bottles. Those I have collected from the forest, and I just piled up with a little bit of stones there underneath, because otherwise it's very deep, and that I don't have enough though of those, so I made an effort to just put the stone underneath so it will look like a little bit of elevation for those. And this is also a second-hand find, this basket. And then those are the autumn leaves. I think this is the, what do you call this, the Canadian maple, I don't know, but this is the autumn leaves that I've collected yesterday. You see how pretty that is? Look at that. It was green and then turned to yellowish, and then it's gonna turn to somehow like this color, brown. But before that, it's like this. Before like that, it's a little bit greenish. So pretty. And this is a, what do you call this? A saucer. It's a find also in the second-hand shop. It's a rusty, and it's how it should be, because autumn is like a vibe of a little bit gray and old, but at the same time it's pretty to look at, and with a combination of different colors from the nature. And yeah, just create your own thing. Let's begin. And by the way, after all this done, it will go to the hay that I have transferred from the storage to the front yard of the house, and it's gonna be look like, in my mind, is amazing anyway. We'll see. Stay tuned, guys. Start moving, guys. Now I have to decorate this leaf to this saucer first. We'll see. Look at that. Pretty. Pretty little baby. You see the color of this, guys? It's like, it has a little brownish and a little bit of what do you call this, the wine red. It's turning to be like wine red color, and then the yellowish, a little bit of green there. It's got all the characteristic. of autumn colors in it. Amazing. It's just a matter of creating what's on your mind, and then you have to get also, of course, a little bit of ideas from others. That's how we do it in YouTube channel, isn't it? It's like we are trying to create something beautiful on our own and then share it in the world. Then we get to inspire other people, and I think that's the whole concept of the YouTube. And it's like you have to do something meaningful for yourself and for the others that will benefit about learning and creating stuff like that. And I love what I'm doing. Of course, that makes me happy. Whatever makes you happy, you just go for it, because at the end of the day, it's only you and yourself. You have to take care of yourself. That looks pretty much like it. And then I will show you the result of what I have created. Look at this. It's going to be look like that. And then I am going to put those 3 bottles on that. This is just a decoration, you know, just to add up a little bit of a character on your creation. And then this is going to maybe there in the middle, I don't know, something like that. Anyway, no, here. And then I have to find something gray. Something gray to put this on, or maybe I just put it like that. I don't have to. Nah, this is too big for that. And then this is the final touch. I have different kinds, you know. Yes, exactly how I like it. And then just hang on, guys, I'm just gonna get something. And look, those are stones that I've collected. Those are stones, pretty stones. I've collected those, and then I painted those with a color that you can use on the stones. I painted those the other day, but I did not bother to make a video out of it. And then, as you can see, I have painted those with a little bit of autumn design. So, and those will go in here in my decoration. Yep. And then I have to find something to put in this one. I don't know, maybe some kind of, you know, I'm fond of collecting those driftwoods. I have files of those, but I am going to do some projects in the near future, and then maybe it can go like here. Yeah, so that's pretty, I think so. Yeah, that's how we do it here. I found this, my old pot, flower pot, and that goes perfect there. You see, that goes perfect. So guys, that's pretty much like it. This is the result of my creations. The haze and those who've seen that in my previous video. I am going to put some battery candles in that ceramic, you know. I don't want to use the real candles because we are not allowed to do that. It can create and ignite some fires. So what do you think? I hope you like it, guys. Thank you so much. Bye for now.